Okay, who can
Good
tell me
morning.
how many flowers are there altogether? Count the number of flowers. How many flowers are there?
11.
How many? There are 10 flowers. Okay, now we're going to circle. Okay, everybody, let's read. There are 10 flowers. Circle groups of 2. So now we're going to circle. Everybody, bye, Mon. Look at the screen. Pan, look at the screen. Okay, so we're going to circle groups of 2. So I'm now going to circle groups of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, so we have here groups of 2. Baimon, can you tell us how many groups are there? How many groups? 2. How many groups? Baimon, how many groups? Proud, please count. How many groups are there? How many groups? How many groups are there? Okay, so there are 5 groups of 2 flowers. Okay, everybody, let's read this one. There are 5 groups of 2 flowers. One more time. There are Okay, so we circle groups of 2 and we have 5 groups of 2 flowers. Next, how many stars are there? How about the one? The one, how many stars are there? How many groups of stars? How many stars are there? How many? 1, 2. Okay, so there are 20 stars. Now we're going to circle groups of how many? Circle groups of Mimiao. Circle groups of. Okay, we're going to circle groups of 5. Okay, now we're going to circle groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we're going to circle groups of 5. Now there are how many groups? Okay, so we will have there 4 groups of 5 stars. So each group has 5 stars and we have 4 groups. Okay, next. How about, okay, I will call someone from here. Okay. How about hacker? Hacker?
Yes.
Okay, hacker, how many balls are there? Hacker, how many balls? Okay, let's wait for hacker. Okay, how many balls are there, hacker? 1, 2, 3. So there are
15.
Okay, there are 15 balls altogether. Okay, so let's read. There are 15.
15 flowers.
Okay, circle groups of 3. Okay, we're going to circle how many? 3. Okay, 3 balls. Okay, circle groups of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, Nati, how many groups of 3 balls are there? How many groups?
5.
Okay, you say there are. There are. Okay, there are 5 groups of 3 balls. Okay, very good. So we circle groups of 3. Okay, circle groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, circle. 1, 2, 3, circle. Next, how about Kenta? 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 Kenta?
Yes.
Kenta, how many cookies are there, Kenta? Can you count for us? How many cookies are there?
16.
How many?
16.
Okay, so there are 16 cookies. Okay, everybody say there are. 16 cookies. Okay, so there are 16 cookies. Circle. Everybody circle groups of. Okay, circle groups of 4. So we're going to circle groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many groups are there? Yes, Proud. 4. There are? There are 4 groups of 4 cookies. Very good. So there are 4 groups of 4 cookies. Next, how about, let me call on Kita. Kita?
Yes.
Okay, Kita, how many cupcakes are there, Kita?
6.
Okay, so there are 6 cupcakes. Circle.
There are 6 cupcakes.
Okay, very good, Kita. Circle groups
Circle
of 2.
of
Now we're going to
2.
circle groups of 2. Meow. Pan pan. Okay. Okay, circle groups of 2. 1, 2, circle. 1, 2, circle. 1, 2, circle. Now, Lucky. Lucky, how many groups are there, Lucky? How many groups are there?
3. There are 3 groups.
Of? There are 3
Cupcakes.
groups of?
2 cupcakes.
Very good, Lucky. So there are 3 groups of 2 cupcakes. Next. Okay, who can tell me how many rabbits are there? How about Baimon? Baimon, how many rabbits are there? There are how many rabbits? 4 rabbits? How many rabbits? How many rabbits, Baimon? Okay, Baimon say there are 8 rabbits. Okay, circle groups of 4. Okay, circle groups of 4. Let's circle groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many groups are there? Yim. Yim, how many groups are there? Very good, Yim. There are 2 groups of 4 rabbits. Okay, next. How about onsen? Onsen?
Yes.
Omsen, how many trees are there, Omsen?
10.
Okay, there are 10 trees. Okay, circle groups of how many? Circle groups of, yes, Omim. Circle groups of 5. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Onsen, how many groups are there? There are how many groups? Okay, there are 2 groups of 5 trees. Okay, there are 2 groups of 5 trees. Next. Okay, everybody gets your workbook. Okay, everybody gets your workbook. Okay, open your workbook to page 95. Page 95. Okay, page 95. Page 95. Okay, so we're going to answer letter B because we finished with letter A already. Okay, so Mrs. Karim buys 15 balloons. They are shared equally by 3 children. How many balloons does each child get? Okay, so for example, this is proud. Okay, wait. I will draw more beautiful. Okay, I will draw here 3 children. One is proud. Yes. So this is proud. How many children? How many children? 3 children. And the next one is Yim. Okay, so this is Yim. And this is Tawan. Okay, Tawan. Okay, Tawan. So we're going to divide these 15 balloons equally to them. What do you think? Each child gets how many balloons? Who can tell me what do you think? How many balloons for each child? One child get how many balloons? They're 15 balloons, but they're going to share. How many for proud? How many for Yim? How many for Tawan? Only 5. How about 4? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one for proud. How many for Yim? 5. How many for Tawan? 5. Okay, so each child gets how many balloons? Okay, so each child gets 5 balloons. Okay, write it down. Okay. Okay, so it's 5. Next. Okay, so for this one, it's easy. Put 18 coins into 3 equal groups. Okay, so you have there 18 coins. One clap. One clap. One clap. Okay, so you have there 18 coins. We're going to put this into 3 equal groups. In one group, how many coins? If you have 18 and you'll divide it into 3 groups, each group, how many coins? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? One group, how many? One group, how many? How many?
Yeah.
9. We're going to divide it into groups. 1, 2, 3. In one group, how many coins? Who can tell me?
3.
How many?
3.
18. How many groups? Okay, 3 groups, right? In each group, how many coins? We're going to put there 6. 1. The next one, 2, 3. So we have there 3 groups. Okay. Circle 6 coins for each group. 6 coins for each group. Okay, who can tell me the answer for letter B? So you have there 20 triangles. You're going to put it into 4 equal groups. For example, you will have there 4 boxes. Okay, so there are 6 coins in each group. So for example, letter B, you have there 4 groups. Okay, there are 4 groups. If you're going to put these triangles equally into these boxes, one box, how many triangles? Yes? Okay, who can tell me? In one group, how many triangles? In one group, how many triangles? You can give me the answer. Proud, how many in each group?
4 try.
How many in each group? Who can tell me? So there are 20 triangles, but we're going to put these triangles into 4 groups. One group, how many triangles? Is it 4? How many triangles in one group? 5. Who can tell me how many? 5. Okay, so
5.
there.
5. There are 5.
That one is just 5. There are 5 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will have there 4 groups. Okay, so you will have there are how many triangles in each group? In one group, how many triangles? Yes, okay, so in one group there are 5 triangles. Okay, next, who can tell me for letter C? Who can answer letter C? 20 pencils into 5 equal groups. How many pencils in each group? How many pencils in each group if we put it in 5 boxes? 5 boxes. How many in each group? Okay, so we will put this into 5 boxes. How many pencils in one box? Who can tell me? How many? 4. Okay, come here, Nati. 4. Nati, come. 4 pencils in each. 4 pencils in each group. Okay, so let's circle 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one is 4. So in each group, there are 4 pencils. Okay. Okay. Everybody finished? Okay, is everybody finished? Okay. So we will move to the next page. Okay. Page 97. Okay, page 97. Okay, so let's try the first one. There are 16 fish. Circle groups of 4. Circle groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're going to circle groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there are how many groups? Come here, Tawan. So there are 4 groups. Come here. So there are 4 groups of 4 fish. Okay, finished? Okay. There are 4 groups of 4 fish. Next. Finished? Okay, next. So let's move to page 98. Okay, there are 15 oranges. Circle groups of 3. 1, 2, 3. Circle. 1, 2, 3. Circle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, how many groups are there? 5. Come here. So there are 5 groups of 3 oranges. Sit down. Okay, so there are 5 groups of 3 oranges. How about the others? Yim, are you ready, Yim? 12 children go skating. Circle groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many groups are there, Omni? Okay, come here. So there are 3 groups of 4 children. Okay, 3 groups of 4 children. Okay, there are 20 apples. Circle the apples in groups of, okay, groups of, how many? Groups of, you want groups of 4. Okay, so we're going to circle groups of 4. Okay, Tawan, groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So circle groups of 4. 4, 4, 4. Okay. How many groups? 5. Okay, so there are 5 groups of 4 apples. Okay. There are 5 groups of 4 apples. Where's your workbook? Book. Book. Okay, next. Okay, next. Page 99, okay? Read the stories, then fill in the blanks. There are 10 gloves. Pa Bear gives 2 gloves to each cub. How many cubs are there? Okay, circle groups of 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. So how many cubs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. Okay. Very good, Kita. There are 5 cubs. Okay, letter B. There are 12 coins. Suresh puts 4 coins into each coin bank. 4. Okay, circle groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there are how many coin banks? 3. Okay, 3. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 coin banks. Finished? Finished. Diamond finished? Him? Tawan?
Finish.
Meow? Home? Finished? Okay, so let's move to the next page. Okay, page 100. Josh collects stamps. He has 15 stamps. He puts 5 stamps on each page of his album. How many pages does he need? Circle groups of how many? Groups of 5. Okay, so he needs 3 pages. Yes, it's 3 pages, but circle groups of 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He needs 3 pages. Okay, how about letter D? How about letter D? Some rabbits share 20 carrots equally. Each rabbit gets 2 carrots. How many carrots for each rabbit? 2. Circle groups of 2. Okay, circle groups of 2. Okay, circle groups of 2. How many rabbits are there? 10. Okay, so there are 10 rabbits. Okay, wait.